everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I am back again with another video where I will show you how you can recover deleted videos on your Android device. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end and let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to Play Store on your Android device and you need to search for deleted video recovery. Once you do that, you will see a number of apps. Alright, you need to install this one right here, the first one. So press install. Once you have installed the app, you need to open it. So here you will see all the features of this app, that any files you delete after installing this app would appear in this app. So if you have mistakenly deleted any video on your device and if you have this app installed, you can easily recover it. But if you have previously deleted any videos, you need to root your device to use this application and it will get you all the videos recovered that you have previously deleted as well. So you need to tap on get started. Alright, once you have allowed all the permissions, you will get this option right here. You need to tap on deep scan recovery. So as you can see, this application will deep scan your device and it will search for all the videos that are still there on your Android device. Alright, so as you can see, it has found 523 files, out of which 133 are videos. Alright, so that's how you can recover all your previously deleted videos using this app. So yeah, that was it for today's topic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, as more interesting and informative videos are coming up for you. Thank you for watching.